Markets, commercial complexes like malls and offices, schools and so on are generally regarded as bulk generators of waste. But the ones that are most affected because of the garbage crisis are the markets in Bengaluru, like Russell Market, KR Market and so on. N.S. Ramakant, a waste management expert and the co-founder of the Solid Waste Management Roundtable Bengaluru, believes that this can be tackled by segregating the source, creating awareness programs and distributing recyclable bags to traders.
You have seen the condition behind me, how it is the waste, all aggregated waste thrown here, and after that rain has spoiled the issue more. Every day the dry waste segregated can be taken to the nearest Shivajinagar godown and they can sell it. They will get some money also for that. About 40% of the waste in the Bangalore city comes from the bulk generators. They must discipline the bulk generators to see that the waste contains in their area only.
According to Ramakant, the mess and pile-ups are due to aggregation and must be segregated. He also feels that bulk generators of garbage like the markets must be disciplined in order to practice effective waste management. We went to Russell Market to see if waste segregation was a necessity and were shocked to see a road next to the main entrance that was completely covered with garbage. If there was any market in the city that was in dire need of waste management, then this topped the list. While Ramakant felt that this was because of aggregation of waste, the traders said that the garbage was not collected from the past 2 weeks.
The condition has become worse because the truck which was daily carrying garbage from here has gone to the dump and it has not come back. Now almost about 7 days waste is lying behind me here, all because of aggregation.
For past 2 weeks, the dump has been kept as it is. So no BBMP has been taking any responsibilities to take these dumps because mostly that dump has been coming from outside. It is not from the Russell Market. No customer is coming inside. That's what we are, because the thing is coming from outside. The beef things and the fish.
Because of the lack of effective waste management, this is what the traders and customers at Russell Market had to deal with.
Well, it's not just the smell that the people here, that the shopkeepers and the traders at Russell Market have to face, but if you can just see this whole stretch of road right next to the main entrance of Russell Market has been covered with waste products like these. Not only do you find rotting vegetables, you also find other products like you find thermocol, you find sacks and coconut husks, and you also find bones and various other pieces of rotting meat that have been dumped here by outsiders, according to what the traders at Russell Market have to say. And according to them, this was not cleaned up. This whole pile of garbage has been building up from the past 2 weeks, and no truck has come from the BBMP to clear this mess. And this is clearly affecting not just the traders and the residents around Russell Market, but also those visitors who come here. So what the traders have to say is that this is dealing a big blow to their business. Not just that, but they stand at the risk of various diseases, because this is a literal breeding ground for rats, for mosquitoes and for flies as well. So all these are the various problems that the traders have to put up right here at Russell Market.
Markets like these are just examples which strongly validate the point that waste must be tackled from the generating sources, be they at independent homes, apartments or bulk generators. And the best part is that even you can do it too. For these Bengalurians, it's pure devotion to keeping their surroundings and their city clean so that its dirty picture ends.
With camera person Naresh, this is Shruti Rao for News 9, Bengaluru.